Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. It's pretty quick and simple, and let's go ahead and jump in. If you ever want to hide a photo, if you want to keep on there and you don't want to delete it and you don't want to lose the likes, this is the trick for you. So we're going ahead and go to Instagram. And you go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner. And then you see this is my profile. If there's a couple of photos I don't want somebody to look or see, but I don't want to delete them yet, I'm going to go ahead and click on that photo and I want to delete. Let's just say this photo. I'm going to click on the three dots on the top right and I'm going to hit archive. By doing that, it's going to take it completely off my profile. As you can see here, nobody see it. However, if I go to the three lines at the top and hit archive, then it's going to show up on my archive. If I click on it, you can see all the likes and are still there are all my photos, and I can keep it here as long as I want off my profile page. If you can see this right here, you can go ahead and go to post and then you can change it to the post archive. If it's not showing up, then when I decide I want to bring that photo back, if I ever decide to bring it back, all I have to do is click on the photo, then click on the three dots, then hit show profile. Then you can see it's left my post on archive. Then I can go back to my profile. And now it's back on my profile with the comments and with the likes intact. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.